Truck, yeah! Check out this 2020 Silverado, yes! Truck, yeah!
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.
Get your Jim Gilbert's advantage. Full tank of gas, every vehicle, every time.
You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our...
At Wheels and Deals, our vehicles are the best in class serviced, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time.
appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer.
Our free nitrogen program helps with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's part of your Jim Gilbert's advantage.
We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and
Check out all the options and savings on these slightly used vehicles.
Deals. We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's
All our vehicles come with a free Carfax report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry.
the way we feel. We'll give you a hug.
Guaranteed motor vehicle inspection, because your family and pets are important to you.
Friendship, cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car.
Lulu, do you know that all our cars are professionally detailed? Yes, some people even say we have cleaner cars than new.
Dealer, help you find your car for a deal. We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels.
Everybody loves the singing Huggable Bears. Yes, you get them too.
Deals. We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal.
Lulu, do you know what everybody likes about Wheels and Deals? Everybody loves their birthday gift every year. Yes, they do. In the mail, they get a birthday gift every year. Wow.
We are Canada's huggable car.
And don't forget about our 2-key guarantee. All our certified vehicles, 2 keys guaranteed.
Dealer,